of Ari.
Where are we?
453 Broadway Avenue, the Oak Room,
The Oak Room.
as you see. So now we're going in.
Oh. Okay, so there's a very, very thick, refreshing smell. How do you do that?
Obviously,
Probably spray from somewhere.
there's a
I don't see it.
special company only for that, for the
Really? That comes in for the smell?
The smell, yeah.
Wow. There's a beautiful picture. Show that picture. It already gets you into the vibe. As we arrive, the music. This is my stuff. Can we be quiet for a minute? Ah, it's amazing.
Heilig.
So I get the idea of this room. I don't know if it's by design or not, but it's the transition between the train and the honking and the traffic and the trucks. Going in, it's like sometimes you have an air conditioning by the door smacking you with cold, so there's the same thing. It smacks you with this quiet, good smell. You walk in, you slow down, and now you start walking down the stairs. What time do you open?
Every day,
Yeah.
3 p.m. every day.
I love the darkness, the lighting. It brings you into the vibe.
That's where we go in. As you see,
Rabbi Anthony, I'm sorry.
I get jealous.
We'll take turns right after this. So there's this beautiful couch room. This is like the entrance, the lobby. What do you call this?
That's the lunchroom.
Lunch room.
Yeah.
So you started serving lunch, like a full menu?
Sure.
You have a restaurant, you have a kitchen, what do you have?
Absolutely. We have a kitchen over there, full restaurant. You can see the food already. And
So what do you do Thursday night? It's probably more packed than just these 4 tables.
so Thursday night we have a Thursday menu, which is a chul and kigel,
Okay.
kishkin, those stuff.
And
Also,
this
also the
place is-
regular menu is open, but yeah.
So there's a regular menu for the full week that
Yeah.
is more fancy, more put together.
Yeah, sure. I will show you. You're gonna see soon.
From 3 o'clock you can order food?
Yes,
So there's a cook here the entire time?
kind of.
From 3 till what time?
Till 2.
Wow! What is this?
That's a new thing on the menu. That's a shawarma wrap.
Shawarma wrap.
Yeah.
Bro, look at this. I like that there's a light on it.
auf dem darf man sich herumsetzen. Both of us know, yeah, we're Israelis, נכון?
Yeah,
אנחנו
yeah.
ישראלים, אנחנו יודעים.
Yeah.
The pastrami pizza and that's the pulled beef pizza.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm getting hungry.
No, maybe chapa shtick.
I don't know what to do first. If to eat first or to go to the spa first.
So usually, if you're saying, it's always better to go to the schwitz first. It's not good to go in with a full stomach.
Full stomach, right.
So it's always better to go in there and then kommen bestell essen. By the way, if you order food, you order 20 minutes before because it's fresh food. Wie macht es du?
Why do you have a vending machine if you have so much good food?
You have so much good food, you need so much good drinks.
Also, the drinks they take separately?
Yes.
They need to swipe
You
themselves.
swipe, yeah.
But the food they get
You have
from the
drinks
kitchen.
there, so
Coffee, tea.
and refreshed drinks.
So this is open for the public?
Sure.
They don't have to pay extra for this?
No.
This is
no.
part of the service?
It's, as you see that place, there is private events, usually it's business lunch, it's birthday parties. We provide also catering sometimes when it's a bigger event. And of course, it's not at little tables. We have big tables and nice places. I will show you, of
reset
course.
the entire place?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, maybe we can show some pictures.
Yeah, I will show you definitely. You'll see.
Very good.
And which makes perfect the food, and then you have also the spa, the hangouts,
Wow, I
which
can
is
smell a lot
good
of
mix.
smoke and cigars.
So-
Oh, look who's here, Velva.
of course
No way.
all the time.
Velva in the house. Look at this smoke. This is professional smoke. You can order this?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so with the pizza.
Cigars,
We can see like on the
cigars, hookah.
Okay, so there's a hookah as well.
Gora poste Sache. Ich komme sehr Sache in Schweiz.
Ja.
Mir bin ich schon schmecken. In Schweiz haben lieb Menschen zu rechnen. Man gemacht ein extra Raum, was da kann man rechnen, da Uka, da Zigar, da poste Zigarette. ist da der Venta, du allein ist das, schmeckt nicht gerecht. Da der gute Venta, stille
Ich
oder
kann nicht
starke.
sitzen, du. Ich kann nicht sitzen, wenn du rein.
Mami Shamachai, da komme ich raus nach Hause. Sogar da ist ein Platz, wo sie alle mal rein, ist da der Goy, was cleant noch anhand, aber du fühlst ihn nicht. Also wie ein Goy, also wie ein Malach. Ein Schwarzer, aber ein Schwarzer. Also wie dein...
Mein Herr, er ist Rabbi Anthony.
Rabbi Anthony, selbe Sache.
Wer ist
Du
dein
fühlst
Rabbi
ihn nicht.
Anthony?
Du die Liebste, was sagst du?
Na, du bist tu wie Avdi. Friday. Are you open Friday?
Ja, Fridays sind offen.
From what time?
For the same businessman.
Nice.
Yeah, so Friday is a different price. It's a Friday price.
Cheaper?
Cheaper,
This
yeah.
is the locker room?
So that's the locker room, as you see.
So I see special number locks? Or
Yeah.
they change it?
You choose a code,
Yeah,
you put it in,
yeah.
then you open it. You need to choose again another code.
So each one gets a locker, then there's a bunch of slippers I see.
Of course, all sides.
Bathing suits all sizes, looks brand new.
Yeah, if you had a lot of chulon Shabbos, you take that one.
Exactly. If you ate too much chillin', you take a bigger size.
Yeah.
Okay?
If you had only gefilte fish, you take the small.
Oh, nice. Look at this. Also has the logo.
Yeah.
The oak room. You can see this? Also, these are the sizes, right?
Yeah.
The oak room.
A lot of people are asking me all the time, can you make lower the schwitz? It's too hot. Can you make it hotter? It's 2 days. So I control everything by the phone.
So
So
it's one
sometimes
app that has the music, the spa, the everything.
everything. So sometimes I go into the phone. They think that I don't listen to them. So people should know that when they're asking and I open the phone, it's
Okay,
because
so
I
if
make
you
it.
are in the oak room and you ask him for a favor, lower the music, lower the AC, lower the heat, and he's on his phone, know that he is actually doing that from his phone and he's actually listening to you.
I don't need to take a ladder to make the AC.
Exactly. And we finally made it to the...
Eichla teure.
This is so professional, clean, relaxing, tempting. This is so tempting.
Yes.
Anthony, tell me you don't want to just lay on one of these and dive into the pool. Whoa.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what is this?
So
It's a cold plunge.
that's a cold plunge, as you see.
Wow.
Have a look.
Look, that's beautiful.
Yeah, you just want to drink it.
This is where the magic happens.
Yeah,
This is where you relax. Oh, there's
So-
Velva there.
sure, Vada, as always.
Velva! Wo ist Inayes? Wo ist Tutzero? Gib dir sie, zieh Eis du, komm her. Keine Schute, man.
וואו, מעט mitten der Röder Sakoides da.
Wo ist du? Wo ist du? Ich sehe
Die
das.
das die Trick in der Schweiz.
Die Trickene.
Trick in der Schweiz, ich mach von Holz, sie dort zwei Evines.
Okay.
Und das geht da jetzt, ich lege rein Wasser mit ein bisschen Öls, das öffnet der ganze Rotem. Sie macht rein der Mensch und sie beruhigt echt gut.
Wo ist sie besser, der Nass oder der Trickene?
Sie zwei Sachen an, zwei andere Sachen.
Wo ist sie miuchat von der Trickene, du?
Die Meile da Dokument Etemen. Kannst du sein, Viertel-Jährig, kannst du Etemen dort, nicht schwer zu Etemen, weil sie dort die...
Ich stelle mit, ich kenne Schute, aber die suchst, die kennst du.
Das die Paare, dort nicht
Aha. Why? Gib mal her, Velva, sag uns, was geht vor.
וואו, מחי.
Was geht da vor?
לא, זה הנאס...
ג' אני אעשה לו, אני אביא למגבת. כי חברים, האנטח הזה. Was geht vor?
Das ist eine nasse Schweiz,
Okay.
von den besten Schweizen, was du gesehen hast.
Ja.
Wir kennen sagen, die beste in Amerika. Mama Shamachai. Sie dort ein guten Nitz. Wir kennen Otimen. Sag mal, Ziptos ein bisschen öffnen die Tür. Sie geht ein bisschen auf die
Okay, seht aus, der Velva sich machai, du.
Yeah, sure.
sitzt
Jeder Mensch
daran.
hat eine. Look.
Joi, Gewalt. Was ist das?
Also ich kann nicht da rein, kannst du nur bei die kalte Mikve. Gehe ich rein da in den Shower. Sie gehen nicht kalt, wo sie nicht da so gehen, wo sie Mann nicht drin sind.
Wir tun nicht vergessen das. Du
What
hast
is
die
this?
jets and the ear blowers. Look,
Jets
sie geht danach
and
die
earblobes.
bubbles von der Schulen. Look, give a
So
look.
let's see, he's gonna click the button. Now look what happens.
Yeah, and look. Sie geht zubbeln.
It's warm as well. It's hot. Mechaye. Anthony, this is so tempting. This is so relaxing.
ein guten Glas Wasser mit Eis, noch ein guten Schwitz, Baruch atah. Akol nio mit Voroi.
Oh man. Lemaise.
Die Bett,
No.
noch wenn du bist da so, wie mir sagt, noch ein Schwitz, noch ein Tanzen im Plonsch. Isa Chaleika Begdo, Mami Shmeino ino Mabe, gib a Cook.
Selva! Oh, was yצא?
Wow,
Was ist das?
frisch, das ruft nach
Das tut
fleischige
mir leid.
Pizza. Wow. Aber mein Hassen ist, wenn er solche Geschmack essen, ne?
Bei meinem Bar Mitzvah.
I did not think coming to a spa that I will give a food review at all, but this seems to be good stuff. We're having a shawarma and pulled beef hummus plate with pita crisps, and there's several more things on the menu. I'm so
Again?
sorry if I'm making you hungry.
Lenagev hummus. Like this.
Yeah.
So here soon we're gonna open a pedicure, yeah? There's a lot of people, they don't need to go to Goyim or whatever. We're gonna have a guy here, the weekends, maybe for Midwoch probably. So guys on the day room.
So the thing I was most surprised about is how clean this place is. I know we spoke about it, but it cannot be said enough. There's so much emphasis, especially there's a guy running around here the entire time, making sure clean and clean and clean again. And I understand that you guys scrub off everything when it's closed, like in the AM from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. So it's well appreciated, and that itself deserves a medal, deserves credit. For that itself, somebody should come visit. But I was also surprised to see how efficient the place runs, how much service, food, normal, good restaurant food in this place, how relaxing it is, how everything is so beautiful.
What a business.